What's going on, guys? I'm going to be solving this integration problem in 5 minutes or less, and if I don't, make sure to dislike the video. Now, I'm basing this off, I basically worked this out before, okay, because it's fairly simple. It's expressed in partial fractions. So, without further ado, 5 marks, 5 minutes, let's crack on. So, first things first, okay, what do we need to do? Well, going off the previous answer, that was worked out over here, f of x is equal to this, right? So really what we've got is the integral of 3 over x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 4 dx. Okay, brilliant. So what does that mean? Well, we can split that up. Okay, now if we've split that up now, and in fact we can go even further. We can go even further. I can say that we've got minus 1 over here. Okay. Dx. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, go crack on now. So what do we get? We get 3 ln x plus 1. Okay. 2, 0 there. Plus ln x squared plus 4, 2, 0 there, because you know ln rules, 2x at the top, f dash of x, minus ln of, no, it's not going to be ln, that's going to be x squared plus 4, well, that's going to give arctan, right? Arctan, specifically a half arctan, okay, of x over 2, right? Look at the formula sheet here, right? So therefore, okay, therefore, what does that mean? Well, we then get 3 ln 3 plus ln 8 minus ln 4 minus a half arctan of 1. Let's get ln 9 plus ln 2, because 8 divided by 4, minus a half of pi over 4. Okay, so therefore we get ln 27 plus ln 2 minus pi over 8. Okay, therefore, using ln rules now, ln 54 minus pi over 8. So final answer. Brilliant. So 2 minutes, or 1 minute 45. Perfect. So just a quick recap there. We broke it up. Okay, and over here, this is the real sticker. Looking at the formula sheet, you're able to see that we get arctan. Okay, that's an arctan density there. And so we put that in, pretty simple substitution. We just calculate the bounds between 0 and 2, and we finally get ln 54 minus pi over 8.